Hello and welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll talk about right join. So we've seen inner join, we've seen left join, right? So to revise, inner join matches all the tables data, right? All the matching data will be fetched, otherwise it will drop. Left join will basically fetch all the data from the table and only the matching data from the right table. Okay. And right join will basically pull all the data from the right table and matching data from the left table. Okay, so here what we are trying to do is, so this is orders table, so this is my left table, payments is my right table. So I'm saying left right join orders, right join on payments, and based on the order ID, right, and order status is delivered. Okay, so now see, order status delivered is basically my left table. So if I execute this, okay, so if I look at this, see, important thing to note. See, what is my right table? Payments. So payment ID, payment status. See, payment ID, payment status, I'm getting all the data. And if you look at this, right, the left table. So wherever we say that the order ID is equal to matching and order status is delivered, so only those data we are pulling it, right? So all the remaining data we are not pulling. We are not pulling it if it is not delivered, right? We are not pulling that data. So that data will be null, right? So see, this is what your the right join means, right? So right join means basically pulls the data from the right table plus all the matching data from the right left table. Okay, so it's basically same, right? So how you put the tables matters. Like if you put the left join and right join, basically does the same thing. It's only like where you're putting the left table or the right table, correct? So the same thing I can basically put, right? So the same, I can get the same as response from the left join as well. I just need to change the order. So here I can say left join. Okay, left join. Now I want all the data which is related from the all the data which is related from the payments table. Correct. So I'll say payments table. So this would come here and this would come here. Okay. So then if I want all the data from the left table, right? So I will need to put that into the left. So here what I did is I instead of right join, I put left join, and basically I have you shifted the tables. So from right to left I put. So if I execute this, I'll get the same output. Look, delivered payment, all the same output. So typically whether you use a left join or right join, it's up to you. Most cases 90% of the times, like I've seen in projects, people actually use left join only. So it's much easier. People very rarely use a right join because the same thing you can do, right? You just have to change the tables, right? So again, so this is about right join. We get all the data from the right table plus the matching data from the left table. All right. So this is about the right join. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you guys in my next class.